Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe After Effects for motion graphics templates step by step clearly. To install Adobe After Effects for motion graphics templates, first, ensure your computer meets the system requirements. Visit the official Adobe website. Look for the Creative Cloud section. Click on Download to get the Creative Cloud installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Creative Cloud on your computer. After installation, open Creative Cloud from your Applications or Programs menu. Log in with your Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps tab within Creative Cloud. Find Adobe After Effects in the list of available applications. Click on the Install button next to Adobe After Effects. The installation process will begin, and you can monitor its progress. Once installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Click Open to launch Adobe After Effects for the first time. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. To set up motion graphics templates, begin by opening an existing project or create a new one. Import your motion graphics templates through the File menu. Select Import and choose the appropriate template files from your directory. Drag and drop the templates onto your timeline where you want to use them. Adjust the settings and customize your templates as needed. Save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once you are satisfied with your work, render your project for export. Choose the desired output settings to finalize your motion graphics template project. Your installation and setup for Adobe After Effects is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.